Hello, this is math video 1-6 for Thursday, March 11th, 2021. If you need to pause the video at any point in time to answer any questions that you may have or your student may have or the video may have, you can do so at any point in time. All right, let's get started.
Troy has 5 toy cars. Brady has 9 toy cars. Who has fewer toy cars?
Troy has fewer toy cars than Brady because 5 is less than 9.
How many fewer? How can you find out? Use cubes to find out how many fewer. What do the green cubes stand for? The green cubes stand for Troy's cars. What do the blue cubes stand for? The blue cubes stand for Brady's cars. Count back to find how many fewer. Start at 9 and count back 8, 7, 6, 5. You counted back 4 numbers. That means Troy has 4 fewer cars than Brady. You can also subtract to find how many fewer. How is using an equation to solve the problem like counting back to solve the problem? When you count back 4 numbers from 9 to 5. When you subtract, you take away 5 from 9. In both, the answer is 4.
Okay, so that's what we're doing today. You need to get out your math workbook, volume 1, and turn to page 39. Page 39. Okay, if you're on page 39, it should look like this. Let's read the directions to figure out what we have to do. It says Amy had 7 stickers. Sheldon had 5 stickers. How many fewer stickers did Sheldon have than Amy? Okay, so let's start with drawing stickers. We'll use the top as Amy's and the bottom as Sheldon's. So Amy had 7 stickers. So I'm going to make 7 S's. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to make Sheldon stickers, and he had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the question's asked, how many fewer stickers did Sheldon have than Amy? Well, let's match them up and see how many fewer he had. Okay, so they both had 1, so match those up. They both had 2, both had 3, both had 4, and both had 5. Now, these are Amy's stickers, so you can see how many more she has, but we're wondering how many fewer Sheldon has. So how many is he missing? Well, if you look, Amy has 2 more stickers than him, so he's actually missing 2 more. Or 2, he's actually missing 2, so he needs 2 more. So he has 2 fewer stickers. Now, if you do that in a subtraction equation, blank blank equals blank, you would start with Amy's stickers, which was 7, minus, because we want to know the difference, 5. Those are the 5 that Sheldon had, and we know that 7 minus 5 equals 2. So you could either say it as Amy has 2 more stickers than Sheldon, or, like the question asked, Sheldon has 2 fewer stickers than Amy, which is the difference right here, 2. Okay? All right, turn to the next page. Page 40. All right, let's read the directions at the top to figure out what we have to do for numbers 1 and 2. It says use the cubes to show the subtraction, then write an equation. Tell how many fewer. All right, number 1 says Stephen has 8 coins. Sarah has 2 coins. How many fewer coins does Sarah have than Stephen? Okay, so they put the 8 coins on the bottom. They represent it with 8 yellow cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sarah has 2 coins, and these are the orange cubes. 1, 2. All right, so let's start matching them up. So they both have 1. They both have 2. So they want to know how many fewer coins Sarah has than Stephen. So these are the missing ones that Sarah needs. Okay, so if we count up Stephen's, the extra one he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Stephen actually has 6 more coins than Sarah. So that means Sarah has 6 fewer coins than Stephen. So let's do it in the equation down below. Remember, when you subtract, you always start with the biggest number. So we'll start with Stephen's 8 coins minus Sarah's 2 coins. And if we look here, we know that 8 minus 2 would equal 6. So how many fewer coins does Sarah have than Stephen? It would be 6. Or you could say that Stephen has 6 more coins than Sarah. Either way, this is the difference. 6. Okay, try number 2 by yourself. Then we'll go through it here in a minute. All right, number 2 says Anne finds 4 bananas in a box. So these are the purple cubes, 4 bananas. Stacy finds 7 bananas, and that's represented by the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fewer bananas did Anne find than Stacy? Okay, so we're looking for how many fewer bananas Anne found than Stacy. Okay, if we look here, start crossing these out. 1, 2, 3. So Stacy has 3 more bananas than Anne, so that means Anne has 3 fewer. All right, so let's do the equation. The biggest number, Stacy's bananas, which is 7, minus Anne's 4 bananas, equals, we can see the difference here is 3. So how many fewer bananas does Anne have? She has 3 fewer. Okay, we'll look at the next page. Okay, on this page, I want you to do numbers 3 and 4, and number 5 if you want to. You can do that as extra. The only difference here is you get to draw the pictures instead of the book drawing the pictures. And then you could just fill in the equation down here and how many fewer sandwiches. It's up to you though, but I really want you to do numbers 3 and number 4 for sure. Okay? After you're done with that page, if you want to do some extra practice, you can do some problems on page 42. Or there's also problems on page 43 that you can do, and page 44. Remember, you don't have to do them all. Just grab a couple and do those just for some extra practice. When you are done with your workbook pages, please do the quick check on the Savas website. Please do not get behind on those. It is hard to catch up. And that's it for today. Thank you.